Welcome to this VMware Horizon Mirage Windows 7 migration video. In this video we will show all the steps necessary for migrating a system to Windows 7. The basic steps to be covered are review of the Windows 7 desktop for capture, creating a new Windows 7 centralized virtual desktop or CVD, preparing the Windows 7 image as a base layer, checking the Windows 7 image and reviewing reports for potential issues, capturing the Mirage Windows 7 base layer, and upgrading the Windows XP system to Windows 7. First, let's get started with the prerequisites. Here we are showing the newly built Windows 7 system to be used for creating the centralized virtual desktop, or CVD, and base layer. Please note, any and all applications within the system will be captured. To get started, we must first create a new Reference CVD from this Windows 7 system. The Activate Device Wizard prompts for an upload policy, an optional base layer if one already exists, and a target volume for storage. Mirage will then initialize the Windows 7 Gold Image system and upload to the Mirage server storage. Once complete, we must now prepare the Windows 7 image. To do so, from the Windows 7 Gold Image system Horizon Mirage agent, we select Windows 7 Image Setup. This prepares the reference machine to assist Windows migrations of other machines. After the system has been prepared, it is pertinent to have Horizon Mirage check the reference machine and then review any warnings for potential issues. If warnings are found, they should be reviewed and resolved at this time. For example, pending Windows updates may or may not be needed or desired. Upon completion of image preparation, review, and resolution of any potential issues, we are now ready to capture the base layer. The Capture Layer wizard will prompt for a name, details, and version number. Any validation warnings should be reviewed and corrected according to the resolutions listed. Switching to the task list within the Mirage Admin Console or to the Windows 7 Gold Image Desktop will allow progress monitoring of the Capture Layer action. Once the Capture Layer action is complete, we have a new Windows 7 base layer. Shifting to the Mirage console, we can see we have a Windows XP CVD and base layer already imported from an existing Windows XP system. Moving into the Common Wizards section of the Mirage Admin Console, we can now select the Windows 7 Migration Wizard. This will prompt for a base layer selection where we select the newly created Windows 7 base layer, for a CVD to update where we select the XP CVD previously created, and for domain membership options. Finally, the wizard will validate the selected XP image and issue warnings for review and resolution. It should be noted the use of the driver library is optional, so it may be ignored if the correct drivers were captured in the Windows 7 CVD and base layer. The Windows XP system is now being upgraded in the background. The user can continue working while this upgrade is taking place. Any work conducted during this time can be saved by the user and will be available after the upgrade is complete. It should be noted, actual time of the upgrade will be longer than shown in this video. Once Mirage has completed background downloads and preparations, the user will be prompted to reboot. During the reboot, the user will see the system being upgraded. Once the system has rebooted, it will conduct various automated updates, such as adding plug-and-play drivers, migrating user states, updating domain membership, and installing updated side-by-side component assemblies. Upon completion, the desktop will automatically reboot one more time. The user's Windows XP system is now upgraded to Windows 7. This was done by capturing a centralized virtual desktop layer and a base layer of a Windows 7 system and deploying to an existing Windows XP system using VMware Horizon Mirage. This concludes the Windows 7 migration process using VMware Horizon Mirage.